So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our gold. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on the gold. So when you take a look at this your trend on gold, you can clearly see that gold is in an uptrend move. We are very much trending what to the upside. It is very much bullish. Now guys, when you thought that if you have not yet joined the membership program, it will be best you join the membership program because I've just given out the potential trade movements for the week. If you also want to trade right with us, you can join the membership program, and you also want to go live with us, join so you will get an exclusive updates and also go live with us and also get to trade with us. Now back to our analysis on gold. Let's start from here for quick analysis, by the way. For quick analysis, we need to see what market is doing and what is the trend, which is an uptrend move. So we saw this, we can take a look at this to be our first high. Market did give us the first high. Then market eventually was able to pull back to give us an higher low. Guess what market did next? It eventually pushed up to give us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up one more time again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now market eventually pushed up once more again to form a new higher high, thereby taking out the previous high, and here comes the higher low right here. This is an equal higher low right here. We are currently at an equal higher low. So now with what market is doing right here, market has now formed double bottom right here. A green, you can see it daily time frame. Has formed a double bottom. So we expect market to give us continue to push up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move, a continuous bullish move is what we will be expecting on gold. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share. And also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.